Welcome to English ShadowBox.
Hit subscribe and join the flock. Ding!
Effy, stop sipping. We're gonna be so late. I can't find my keys, I haven't eaten, and I'm gonna leave in 2 minutes.
Whoa, Sam, slow down. First, you just said, I gonna. That's a classic mistake. But more importantly, you sound like a textbook. If you want to catch that bus, you need to use fast English.
Fast English? I just need my keys.
Relax, they're on the fridge. Listen, everyone. Today is all about connected speech. If you've ever felt like native speakers talk too fast, it's because they use gonna, wanna, and gotta.
Wait, before Effy starts teaching, if you've ever felt stressed trying to speak fast like me, give this video a like right now.
Yes, and subscribe to English ShadowBox and hit the bell so you never miss a shadowing session. Today, we aren't just listening. You are going to complete 10 active speaking reps in our mouth gym to master these natural expressions.
My pain is your gain. Let's get fast.
So, Sam, you finally found your keys. But tell me, why are you always in such a rush in the morning?
Honestly, Effy, because I am a total night owl. I want to go to bed early. I really do. But my brain always says, no, Sam, you gotta stay awake.
Oh, really? What kept you awake last night? Were you working?
Working? No, totally not. Last night, I looked at the clock. It was 11 p.m. I told myself, okay, I want to sleep now. But then I picked up my phone.
Oh no, the classic phone trap. I see where this is going.
Yeah, I watched one video about funny cats. Just one. But then I gotta watch another one. And another one. Suddenly, it was 2:30 a.m.
Wow, 2:30 a.m.? That is way too late, Sam. No wonder you're so tired today.
Exactly. So this morning, my alarm rang at 7 a.m. Beep, beep. I looked at it and thought, I don't want to wake up. I gotta sleep for 10 more minutes.
Let me guess. You hit the snooze button.
I hit it 3 times. And then I suddenly jumped out of bed and shouted, oh no, I gonna be late. I gonna miss my bus.
Wait, Sam, stop right there.
What? I gotta tell you the rest of the story.
No. Listeners, did you catch that? Sam just fell into a very common typical grammar trap again. Sam, you said, I gonna be late.
Yeah, I gonna, because I am going to be late. Is that wrong?
It is. Many beginners make this mistake. Gonna is the fast way to say going to, but you still need your be verb. You cannot forget am, is, or are.
Oh, so I can't just say, I gonna?
Exactly. You must say, I'm gonna. I am going to becomes I'm gonna. Let's practice it. Repeat after me. I'm gonna.
I'm gonna.
Good. I'm gonna be late.
I'm gonna be late. Wow, that sounds much more natural. Not I gonna, it's I'm gonna.
Perfect. You use the am. Now, what about the rest of your day? What are your plans?
Well, first, I want to grab a huge coffee. A super large black coffee to wake up my brain.
Good use of wanna. You wanna grab a coffee. Then what?
Then I gotta go to the office. I have a big meeting with my boss at 2 p.m. I'm gonna present my new project.
Excellent. I'm gonna present. You remembered the rule.
See, I'm a fast learner. But honestly, Effy, after that meeting, I don't want to do any more work. I just want to go home.
I totally understand. We all have those long days.
Yeah, I gotta relax tonight. I'm gonna order a big pizza, sit on the sofa, and play video games. No more cat videos.
That sounds like a perfect night for a night owl. But before you eat that pizza, we gotta practice these words with our listeners.
Yes, guys, if you want to sound like a native speaker, you gotta practice with us today.
Exactly. Many beginners have silent English because they try to pronounce every single letter perfectly. They say,
I want to go.
That sounds like a robot. Beep, boop.
Right. Native speakers don't talk like that. Fast English is about connecting your words smoothly. Wanna, gotta, gonna.
All right, here is where the magic happens. This is the part that actually turns you into a speaker. We're starting our 3-step loop. Don't just let the sound hit your ears. Let's get those mouth muscles moving. You've got this.
Now, this is my favorite part, our breakthrough moment. We're going to do the 3-step loop together. I'm right here with you, so don't be shy. This isn't a listening test. It's your time to shine. Speak out loud with me.
Ready to wake up your voice? This is our signature mouth gym session. Even if you're in a coffee shop or on a bus, just whisper it. If Sam can do it without tripping over his own tongue, you definitely can.
Hey, I heard that. But she's right. Let's do it.
Sentence 1. I want to go to bed early.
Listen to the link. Wanna ends in a soft Wanna go. It's smooth. Stress on bed and early. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sentence 2. I don't want to wake up.
Don't wanna. The T in don't usually disappears. Say it like Dawn wanna. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sentence 3. I'm gonna be late for work.
Remember the rule. Don't say I gonna. Merge the am. I'm gonna. Stress on late and work. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sentence 4. I want to grab a coffee first.
Wanna grab a. Link the B in grab to a. Grab a. It flows like water. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sentence 5. I gotta relax tonight.
Gotta. The TT sounds like a quick, soft D. Gotta. Gotta relax. Stress on relax. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sam, do you notice how we use these words in text messages too?
Oh yeah. I always write wanna and gonna in my group chats. Is that okay?
In 2026, it's totally normal for casual digital communication. Whether you're a digital nomad slacking your remote team or just texting a friend about a side hustle, typing gonna, wanna is standard.
But what about a job interview?
Great question. In a formal interview, you should probably say, I would like to, or I am going to. But the moment you walk out and talk to a colleague by the coffee machine, switch back to fast English. It shows you actually know how the language is spoken in the real world. Quick recap time. We learned gonna, future plans, wanna, desires, and gotta, obligations.
And don't forget the biggest rule. I'm gonna, not I gonna.
The comment challenge. We want to know about your plans. What is one thing you are gonna do this weekend?
The requirement. Answer in the comments and you must use at least 2 of today's new words. Example, I want to relax because I gotta study on Monday.
I will personally check the comments to like your goals and help you correct any sentences.
If you spoke out loud today, give us a like. Subscribe to English ShadowBox and hit the bell. Share this with that one friend who understands but can't speak. Let's practice together.
Turn silent English into real speaking.
And we'll see you in the next English ShadowBox.
Bye!